We got something that everybody else wants. We got something nobody can take from us. We got something gold. Baby, you only like gold. Find it a little more for you anytime. I look in your eyes. Ooh, 'cause your loving keeps me satisfied.
I think it's been one of my favorite vacations ever.
Abby and Justin are the dream team. You feel very comfortable and confident that you're being taken care of, you're safe, and you're going to get exactly what you came here for.
What Submerge and Seasick have made happen here is the most positive, affirming, exciting, exhilarating thing I've ever been a part of.
It feels like you're on a movie set. It feels like you're the star on like a movie set. We have the director, we have the cinematographer, behind the scenes photo, we have our safety divers. It's worth so much more than I paid.
I feel so safe with Justin and Abby. I know that they're taking really good care of us and that the images that are coming out were really fun to make. We had a good time making them and that they're absolutely stunning.